Hi everyone and welcome. We're thrilled to have you here. I know what you're thinking. Sponsor licenses. Sounds boring, right? But hold on, but trust me, this is way more fun than doing your taxes, I promise. We're going to make this journey enjoyable. We're going to figure out this complicated thing and have some laughs along the way. It's all about making the process simple and fun. So, if you're a boss in the UK and you want to hire people from other countries, and let's be honest, who doesn't these days, then get ready. This is your ultimate guide. We're going on an exciting adventure to the UK visas and immigration website. Buckle up because it's going to be an informative and entertaining ride. First, we need to check if you're allowed to do this. This is about making sure your business is real and follows the rules according to the UK government. They want to see that you're registered, working in the UK, and have ways to manage your employees and follow those important immigration laws. It's like a guard at a fancy club. You need the right ID to get in. I know, paperwork, it's boring, but hang in there because it's super important. But don't worry, this is just collecting some proof to show you are who you say you are and your business is real. Think of it as a way to showcase your business's credibility. We need proof of registration, proof that your business is active, like showing off your business's best side, and some details about how your business is organized. This helps us understand your business better and ensures everything is in order. Things like VAT registration, employer liability insurance, proof of payee registration, all those important papers. These documents are essential to keep your business compliant and running smoothly. Okay, let's do this. This is where we explore the UK visas and immigration website. Don't worry, it's not that hard. It's like a more official version of Amazon, but instead of buying new shoes, you're applying to hire talented people. Just find the sponsor license application form and fill it out carefully. Remember, tell the truth, especially when it comes to the government. There is a small fee to get started, but think of it this way. It's an investment in your future success. Think of all the great people you'll be able to hire and the amazing talent you'll attract. The price changes depending on how big your company is, ensuring fairness. Small companies pay £536, which is quite manageable, while bigger businesses pay more, around £1,476, reflecting their larger scale. It's like buying a fancy coffee every day for a year, a small price for a big return, versus, well, not doing that and missing out on growth opportunities. And remember, this is a one-time fee, not a recurring payment. So, invest wisely and watch your business flourish. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, I know the waiting is hard, but don't worry, this isn't forever. You'll get an answer in about 8 weeks. The people at UKVI might contact you to ask a few questions or even visit. Don't worry, they're just making sure you're as great in person as you are on paper. And that's it, you're on your way to becoming a sponsor license expert. Remember, this is your chance to hire the best people from all over the world. It's about having different kinds of people, new ideas, and making a workplace that's fun and exciting. Ready to apply? Visit the UKVVI website today and start hiring global talent. Don't forget to follow the rules to keep your license.